All right, so it is currently Wednesday morning, and we are getting ready for the market to open here on BBIG. So currently pre-market, the high on BBIG is 1140. We know first off that we have resistance at this level, at this $11, $12 area. $11.90, $12 resistance there on BBIG right now on the daily chart that we're looking at there. And as you can see, we've had a big gap up, just like we expected, just like we talked about yesterday in the video. So looking at my position here that I'm holding, I currently have 10 $8 call options that I bought. I have $8.50 call options, $10 call options, $10.50 call options, and $9 call options. And I also still have a $4 call option from the other day that I bought. So we're looking to take profit into open here, to take some profit off of the table, and then we'll look to ride the rest. And you can see my entry on these, at least on these $8 calls, my entry is at the $1.04 area. Yesterday at close, we were trading at $2.15. So expecting a big move today here on BBIG. Take a look at the chart again and see where we can get going, if we can get going here and get this move up above this level. So yesterday pre-market high was around this 1140 area as well, or I guess after hours, that 1140 area resistance. So looking for a push up to the $12 area here at open. You can see we got the EMA clouds there looking good right now. We got a little bit of volume, expecting more volume to come in here at open, and look for a break over that $12 area. News came out today as well that they have officially released at least the initial proxy talking about the merger. So it is happening. It's real news. It's happening. So we're going to see what happens here. Hey, when you want to know when the next big stock is going to make a move like BBIG, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the bell notification tab. We talked about BBIG right here on the channel yesterday when it was $8. All right, so we got about 30 seconds here till the market opens. A little bit of a pullback back down to the $11 area right here. Looking to see where these options open at here in about 10 seconds. Let's see what happens here. Is it going to be a big payday, or is it going to be uneventful? We're going to find out here in about 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And there we go. We are off to the races now. We're popping up there to the 310 area, looking to sell some here. Let's see if I can get some sold up there. Looking at the chart here, up to the 1150. Looking for this to pop up. Let's go, baby. Look at these options. They're going to the moon right now. We're going to look to sell some profit as we go here, just to lock it down there. 111 as we go. Up there to $12 now. Looking for this. Oh, my gosh. She's squeezing, baby. Above 12 now. Above 12. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Locking it down. I'm going to try to lock down half at least as we go here. Big pop up there to that $12 area now. Popped up to $12.20. A little bit of a reversal here. Trying to lock in some of this profit as we go, just to I don't want to be greedy. No point in being greedy here. So big pullback there right now on BBIG from that $12 area down to the 1077. So looking just to lock in some profit as we go here and get this going right now. We've locked down so far on the day $2,300 in profit, and looking to take some more profit as we go here. So we realized $3,400 in profit so far. We've got another $2,400 in profit left here. $8 call options dropping down there from $4 down to $3 now. Still got some holding there. Looking to see if this 1090 area can hold. If we can't hold that 1090, I'm going to look to get out there. But we'll let this ride a little bit longer. See how we're doing. See if we can't push back above 11 here. BBIG, this is the 1 minute chart. You can see that resistance was so powerful there on the daily chart, just getting stuck at that $12 area, that big gap up here on the chart. So let's see if we can push back above 11 here now on BBIG and get this to push again. On the 5 minute chart, looking pretty dumpy right now. So kind of watching this 1090 area. If we can't hold here, look to take profit, but we're kind of popping back up here a little bit. So we'll see if we can get some, I'm going to close it right there and get out. So still got that $4 call option. And yeah, we're going to lock down $4.9 thousand. I don't know why I keep saying 4.9, but maybe I'll just lock this down so that way we can close it out for... I kind of like holding that one, but let's just take it. This is the $4 call option. You can see this thing. I paid this call option. I ended up paying, I think, like 80 cents for this call option. And we're going to close it out right there and lock down this trade. You can see BBIG just not holding that 1090. We can always look to get into it later on, but I'm going to lock it down. I don't like that we got denied at 12. So I'm going to lock down that profit there and just make sure, you know, that I'm walking away green here on the day. And, well, that's exactly what we're doing. We're walking away beautiful. We locked in $5.5 thousand, $5,500 in profit here on BBIG. We talked about this one yesterday, and there's that big move there right now. Again, just not holding that 1090 area, so I got out there. We'll see what happens. Well, if we can kind of find a base, maybe down at the $10, $10 area, maybe jump back in. But right now, I'm going to lock it down, that profit there. Maybe it goes higher. Maybe, you know, there's always a chance that it goes higher, but I'm pretty happy with the $5,000 in profit. So I'm not going to complain by any means. I'm definitely not going to complain. And we'll see what happens. Pretty happy with it overall. And just locking that down. So, not bad. We locked in, yeah, like I said, $5,500. You can see realized profit there today. Not bad, not bad. Yesterday we made a video talking about BBIG, talking about this play, talking about this setup here on the channel. So if you guys haven't already, do me one big favor. Hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. BBIG up to a high of 1220 this morning. A little bit of a pullback, and we'll see what happens today. If we go sideways for a little bit, I'll look to buy some more call options. If we go sideways here, maybe buy some $20 call options and consolidate at this level. Then I'll look to buy options. If we start to move again, if we start to make another push higher, I'll look to jump back in. But I'm going to lock in that profit here, and we're up beautifully. Yesterday, buying in there at the $8 area. We talked about this plan perfectly. Yesterday, buying this consolidation area there at the $8. We had to push all the way up here to $12 after that. So, whoo! I'm going back to bed. It's 3:30 in the morning here in Hawaii right now. Or it's 3:39 in the morning here in Hawaii. I'm tired. I've been up all night long because I've just been anticipating and really I was excited for a big move here at BBIG, but instead we got a little bit of a pullback, and we'll see what happens. Like I said, you know, there's always potential for this to take off again, and at that point I'll look to jump back in. I think if we can push maybe back above this 1120 area, if you see here on the chart, on the like 5-minute chart right now, if we get back above this trend here, I think that 1120, that would be an entry for this to push above $12. So that's what I'm going to be watching, but I might just go take a little breather for a minute. It's been a minute. It's been a long day. It's been a long morning. Been a morning here. We'll see what happens here on BBIG. I'm happy either way. To say that I can't complain, you know, honestly, it's hard to complain about a $5,000 profit there on BBIG today. So, like I said, I'm going to be watching. We'll see what happens over 1120. If we can get a pop back up here, I'll look to jump back in, and we'll make some money that way. So that's my overall, yeah, that's what happened. BBIG, we made the trade yesterday. We talked about it there at the $8 area. I showed you guys the outcome of the trade. So if you guys haven't already, do me one big favor, hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. I will talk to you guys later on.